Morning. I am V. Srinivas Reddy, Associate Professor of Mathematics, Government Degree College, Ramannapet. This is my 20th video lesson and 7th video lesson on sphere, that is in solid geometry. It is 7th video lesson on sphere. Today, I will talk on angle of intersection of two spheres. That means if two spheres are intersect at a point, how can we define angle between two spheres at the common point? So today, first I will define angle of intersection of two spheres. Suppose the two spheres intersects at a point. How can we define angle between two spheres at that point? And then, what is the orthogonal condition when you say two spheres are called orthogonal? And then we see some problems related to orthogonal. First, we see angle of intersection of two spheres. So the angle of intersection of two spheres at a common point. Suppose the spheres intersect at a point, at a common point. So at a point, this is called a common point. So the angle of intersection of two spheres at a common point is the angle between the tangent planes to them at that point. So now we have to find at this common point, we have to find the tangent planes to them at that point. And the angle between these tangent planes is the angle between the two spheres at the common point. So finally, so the angle of intersection of two spheres at a common point is the angle between the tangent planes to them at that point. And also it is equal to the angle between the radii of the spheres, angle between the radii of spheres to the common point. So here radii being actually perpendicular to respective tangent plane. Suppose you see these two spheres intersect at this point. How can we define angle between these two spheres at this common point? Suppose if you take this point is P, how can we define angle between these two spheres at this common point? So now just you find the at this point tangent to this sphere and tangent to this sphere, and the angle between these two tangent planes is called the angle between the two spheres at the common point. And also it is same as suppose draw the radii C1P. So this is C1P radii. This is C2P radii. So angle between these two lines. And also we define another way, angle between these two radii is also is called angle between two spheres. So finally, angle between two spheres, the angle of intersection of two spheres is at a common point. That means if the two spheres intersect at this point, angle between these two spheres at this point is same as the angle between the two tangent planes at this point to the spheres. So at this point, find tangent plane for the sphere one and find the tangent plane to this sphere. So find the angle between them. Then that angle is called the angle between two spheres at the common point. And also, in other words, angle between the radii through that point. So this is radius through this point. This is radius first. This is radius for the first sphere through this point, and the second sphere radius. Angle between these two another way, because this radii is perpendicular to tangent plane. So in other words, nothing but angle between the radii which are through that common point. So now we see the final is simple. Just angle between two spheres at a common point. Intersection of a common point is the same as the angle between their tangent planes at that common point, or that is also equal to the radii. This is radii. Angle between the radii which are passing through that common point. So now we see what is the condition for orthogonality of two spheres? So that the condition for the two spheres x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 equals 0, and x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2x plus 2u2x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d2 to be orthogonal if orthogonal is 2 of u1 u2 plus v1 v2 plus w1 w2 is equal to d1 plus d2. That is 2 u1 u2 plus 2 v1 v2 2 w1 w2 equal to d1 plus d2. Then the two spheres are orthogonal. Orthogonal means angle of intersection is 90 degrees. So let S1 equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 equal to 0. S2 is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d2 equal to 0. So suppose these two spheres, these two spheres intersects at a point P. Now C1P is radii for the sphere 1, C2P is the radii for the second sphere, and C1P is the radius R1, radius of first sphere, C2P is the radius of second sphere. So center of S1 is a C1 equal to minus U1 minus V1 minus W1 because it is in the general form x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 equals 0. That's why center is C1 is a minus U1 minus V1 minus W1, and radius is a we know formula for general equation root of U1 square plus V1 square plus W1 square minus D1. And for the center of S2 is a C2. C2 similarly minus U2 minus V2 minus W2. You know, for the general equation, this is center, and radius is R2. Root of U2 square plus V2 square plus W2 square minus V2. Let theta is the angle between the two spheres at the point P. So angle C1 PC equal theta. So now we have to find the condition for orthogonal. Orthogonal means 90 degrees. Angle is 90, so that is 90 degrees. Now the triangle, because it is 90 degrees. Now the triangle PC1C2 is a right angle triangle. You know that a triangle is called right angle if one angle is 90 degrees, right angle. So right angle triangle, in right angle triangle, we know that the hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So here hypotenuse is C1, C2. So Carnot square equal to Bhujamu square plus Bhujamu square. So C1, C2 square, hypotenuse square is a C1, C2 square. So Lambakona Tribunumlo, Carnot square equal to Bhujamu square plus Bhujamu square. So in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square C1, C2, this is a 90 degrees. This is called hypotenuse because of the side which is perpendicular to the 90 degrees is called the hypotenuse. So C1, C2 square equal to PC1 square plus PC2 square. So C1, C2 square equal to R1 square. PC1 means the radius of first sphere. PC2 means radius of second sphere. So R1 square plus R2 square. C1, C2 square. So this distance between these two centers. Center C1 is a minus U1 minus V1 minus W1. Center V2 is C2 is minus U2 minus V2 minus W2. We know that the distance between 2 points. So C1, C2 is the distance between these two centers. We know that the distance between 2 points is, suppose 2 points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Then x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 by z1, z minus z2 minus z1 whole square. That is C1, C2. C1, C2 whole square means square root will be go. So we'll get x2 minus x1 means minus u2 plus u1. That is u1 minus u2. So y2 minus y1 minus v2 plus v1. So v1 minus v2. And z2 minus z1, w2 minus of minus w1, w2 plus w. That is w1 minus w. So finally we are getting c1, c2. This is actually c1, c2 is square root. c1, c2 square means u1 minus u2 whole square plus v1 minus v2 whole square plus w1 minus w2 whole square. We know that radius r1 square. R1 is a root of u1 square plus v1 square plus w1 square minus d1. That is r1 square is a u1 square plus v1 square plus w1 square minus d1. R2 square is a u2 square plus v2 square plus w2 square minus d2. So here C1, C2 means distance between these two centers. C1 between C1 and C2. Between C1 and C2. So distance between C1 and C2 means x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. For square root, it is square. That's why we'll get directly minus u2 minus of minus u1 plus, so u1 minus u2 whole square. Similarly, minus v2 plus 1 minus w2 plus w1 whole square. So finally, we are getting distance between C1 C2 whole square equal to u1 minus u2 whole square. Square root will be cancelled because C1 C2 is the square root of this. C1 C2 whole square means square root will be cancelled. u1 minus u2 whole square plus v1 minus v2 whole square plus w1 minus w2 whole square. And r1 square is u1 square plus v1 square plus w1 square minus d1. So R2 square is U2 square plus V2 square plus W square minus T2. So now this is like A minus B whole square. This is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Similarly, A square plus B square minus 2AB. a square plus b square minus 2ab. So from that we'll get u1 square plus so here from this u1 square plus u2 square minus 2u1 u2, v1 square plus v2 square minus 2v1 v2, w1 square plus w2 square minus 2w1 w2. This is like a minus b whole square. We know that a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2a. And here u1 square plus v1 square plus w1 square, u2 square plus v2 square plus w square minus d1 d2. So it will be cancelled. u1 square will be cancelled. Next we will get v1 square, it will be cancelled. u1 square or v1 square will be cancelled. Next u2 square, v2 square will be cancelled, and then w1 square plus w2 square will be cancelled. So finally we are getting left hand side, will get only minus of 2u1 u2 plus 2v1 v2 plus 2w1 w2 is equal to minus of d1 plus d2. So minus minus will be cancelled. Finally we'll get 2 of u1 u2 plus v1 v2 plus w1 w2 is equal to d1 plus d2. So finally the given two spheres is orthogonal when 2 of u1 u2 plus v1 v2 plus w1 plus w2 equal to d1 plus d2. So now the two spheres are orthogonal. 2 of u1 u2 plus v1 v2 and plus w1 w2 equal to d1 plus d2. So here u1 minus u2 whole square means u1 square plus u2 square minus 2u1 u2. v1 square it is a minus b square. v1 square plus v2 square minus 2v1 v2. Similarly w1 square plus w2 square minus w1 w2. So all these are cancelled. u1 square, v1 square, w1 square, u2 square, v2 square, w2 square. We will get only minus 2u1 u2 minus 2v1 v2 minus w1 w2, that is equal to minus of d1 plus d2. So finally we get 2 of u1 u2 plus v1 v2 plus w1 w2 is equal to d1 plus d2. This is the condition for the given spheres to be orthogonal. Given two spheres to be orthogonal. We see some problems on this. So finally, these two are orthogonal. 2u1 u2 plus 2v1 v2 plus 2w1 w2 equal to d1 plus d2. So we see one problem. Find the equation of sphere that passes through the circle x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 6 equals 0. 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 16 equals 0. And cuts the sphere. And cuts the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus 11 equals 0. Orthogonal. It cuts the sphere orthogonal. So we know that the equation of the sphere through the circle s equals 0, phi equals 0 is s plus lambda phi equals 0. So this is s equals 0, this is phi equals 0. So we know that the equation of sphere passes through or through the given circle is s plus lambda phi equals 0. S is this is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 6 plus lambda into 3x. Phi is the 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 15 equals 0. So this can be written as x square plus y square plus z square. Here taking x common 3 lambda minus 2 and 3 minus 4 lambda of y. Taking y common 3 minus 4 lambda and taking z common 5 lambda minus 4 and 6 minus 15 lambda. Here constant is 6 minus 15 lambda. Now we have to find out the value of lambda. How can we find this lambda? And also given the condition, it cuts the sphere x square plus y square plus z square orthogonally. So now comparing this equation with the x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 equals 0. Now compare with the x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 equals 0. Here 2u1 equal to 3 lambda minus 2. 2v1 equal to 3 minus 4 lambda. 2w1 equal to 5 lambda minus 4 and d1 equal to 6 minus 15 lambda. So compare this with the x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 equals 0. So from this u1 equal to 3 lambda minus 2 by 2, v1 equal to 3 minus 4 lambda by 2, w1 equal to 5 lambda minus 4 by 2, and d1 is a 6 minus 15 lambda. d1 is a 6 minus 15 lambda. So first I have written through the circle is s plus lambda phi equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of lambda. To find the value of lambda, we have to use the given condition. It cuts the sphere orthogonally. So given sphere is a x square. So already I told you u is equal to 3 lambda minus 2 by 2. u1 v1 is 3 minus 4 lambda by 2. w1 is 5 lambda minus 4 by 12. This is the u1 v1 w1. So now given sphere is a x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus 11 equal to 0. Now comparing with the x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux 2u2x plus 2u2x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d2. Compare this. What is the 2u2? 2u2 equal to, what is 2v2? 4. 2w2 minus 6. d2 equal to 11. So compare this. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d2 equal to 0. So we'll get 2u2 is 2, 2v2 4, 2w2 minus 6, d2 is equal to 11, d2 equal to 11. So from this u1 equal to 1, v2 equal to 2, w2 equal to minus 3. Now we have to find the, and given that required sphere is a perpendicular, is a cuts orthogonally this sphere. That means sphere 1 and 2 are orthogonal. So now this is the required sphere. It cuts orthogonally the sphere 2. So spheres 1 and 2 are orthogonal. So we know the condition for the orthogonality. What is the condition? 2 of u1 u2 plus v1 v2 plus w1 w2 is equal to d1 plus d2. So 2 of what is u1? 3 lambda minus 2 by 2. So u2 is a 1 and v1 is a 3 minus 4 lambda by 2. v2 is a 2. v2 is 2. w1 is a 5 lambda minus 4 by 2 and this is a w2 is minus 3 and d1 is a 6 minus 15 lambda. So d1 is a 6 minus 15 lambda. d1 is a, this is d1, this is d1. d1 is 6 minus 15 lambda and d2 is a 11. d2 is a 11. d2 is 11. So d1 is a 6 minus 15 lambda. d2 is 11. So here 2 will be cancelled. We get 3 minus lambda and 2 will be cancelled. 3 into 2 6 minus 2 into 4 lambda minus 8 lambda and 2 will be cancelled. And we'll get 5 lambda minus 4 into minus 3. Minus 3 into 5 lambda minus 15 lambda minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. This 15 lambda will be cancelled here. 6 plus 11, 17 minus 15 lambda. So 15 lambda will be cancelled. So here so 15 lambda will be cancelled. Here we'll get 3 lambda minus 8 lambda minus 5 lambda. Here minus 2 plus 6 4. 4 plus 12 16. Taking right side 17 minus 16 1. 17 minus 16 1. So finally we get lambda equal to minus 1 by 5. Just I use the condition 2u1 condition for the orthogonality. 2 of u1 u2 plus v1 v2 plus w1 w2 equal d1 plus d2. So 2 of 3 lambda minus 2 by 2 into 1. So u1 is this 3 lambda minus 2 by 2. u2 is 1. So v1 is 3 minus 4 lambda by 2. v2 is a 2. w1 is 5 lambda minus 4 by 2. w2 is minus 3. So d1 is a 6 minus 15 lambda. d2 is 11. So finally we are getting 2 will be cancelled. 3 lambda minus 2. 2 will be cancelled. 6 minus 8 lambda and 2 will be cancelled. 5 lambda minus 4 into minus 3. So minus 15 lambda plus 12. So that equal to we'll get 6 plus 11, 17 minus 15. 15 lambda will be cancelled. 3 lambda minus 8 lambda minus 5 lambda. Here minus 2 plus 6 is a 4. 4 plus 12 16. Taking right side 17 minus 16 1. We'll get lambda equal to minus 1. So by 1, the required sphere, right, in place of lambda here, minus 1 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 2. Here 3 plus 4 by 5. Here minus 1 minus 4 of z. So finally we are getting, so multiplying by 5, we'll get, so 5x square plus 5y square plus 5z square, multiplying by 5, minus 3 minus 10 minus 13, multiplying by 5, 15 plus 4, 19, and minus 25z here is missed here. Here we have to write here 25z plus 45 equals 0. Here 25z is missing. So we have to write by multiplying 5, we get x square plus y square plus z square. Here minus 3 minus 10 minus 13. Here 15 plus 4, 19. And cross multiplication of 5, we get minus 5 into 5 minus 25z, and 9 into 6, 45. 9 into 6, 45. 9 into 6, 45. Okay. Here we have to get 25z. Here minus 25z. Another problem. Find the equation of the sphere that passes through the 2 points. 0, 3, 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 4, cuts the orthogonally two spheres. One is the x square plus y square plus z square plus x minus 3 z minus 2 equals 0. Second one is 2 into x square plus y square plus z square plus x plus 3 plus 4 equals 0. So find the equation of the sphere that passes through the two points 0, 3, 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 4, and cuts the orthogonally two spheres x square plus y square plus z square plus x minus 3z minus 2 equals 0. 2 of x square plus y square plus z square, x plus 3y plus 4 equals 0. So now we have to find the equation of the sphere passing through the two given points and cuts orthogonally given two spheres. Let the required equation general form you take x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equals 0. Now we have to find out the values of u, v, w, d using the given condition. Given required sphere passes through 0, 3, 0. So it passes through 0, 3, 0 means substitute this satisfy the given required equation. So write x equals 0. So it passes through 0, 3, 0 means the point satisfy this equation. So write x equals 0, y equals 3, z equals 0. So x is 0, 0, y 3, 3 square 9, z 0, 0. This is 0, 2v, 2 into 3, 6v, and z 0, 0 plus t. So here y square is 9, 3 square. So remaining are 0, 2vy means 6v plus d equals 0. So finally we are getting 6v plus d plus 9 equals 0. 6v plus d plus 9 equals 0. And also it also passes through minus 2, minus 1, minus 4. So substituting this x equal to minus 2 whole square is plus 4, minus 1 whole square is plus 1, minus 4 whole square is 16, and x equal to minus 2, minus 4u, y equal to minus 1, minus 2v into minus 1, minus 2v, z equal to minus 4 into 2w, minus 8w, plus d equals 0. So substituting x equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 1, z equal to minus 4. So we'll get minus 2 whole square is 4, plus 1, minus 1 whole square is 1, minus 4 whole square is 16. Here x equal to minus 2 into 2u, minus 4u, minus 1 into 2v, minus 2v, and here minus 8w because z is equal to minus 4 plus d equal to 0. Finally, we are getting minus 4u, minus 2v, minus 8w plus d plus 21 equal to 0. So we have to find out the values of u, v, w, d. Here we got two equations. Here we have we get two equations, and also given required sphere is orthogonal to the two spheres. So required given sphere. So required sphere is orthogonal to x square plus y square plus z square plus x plus 3 x minus 3z minus 2 equal to 0. Now comparing with x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 equals 0. So 2u1 is 1, y is not there, 2v1 is equal to 0. So 0y, we can write here 0y. So 2w1 equal minus 3, d1 equal to minus 2. So comparing with x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 equal 0. So 2u1 equal 1, 2v1 equal 0, 2w1 equal to minus 3, d1 equal to, we'll get to minus 2. So u1 equal 1 by 2, v1 0, w1 minus 3. So now the required sphere is orthogonal to, cuts orthogonally this sphere. Or required sphere is orthogonal to this sphere. So we know the condition for orthogonality. 2u1 plus vv1 plus ww1 is equal to d plus d1. Here in place of u2, u is there, v2 v, w2 is w, in place of d2 d. So in place of u2, u is there. That's why I'm written u into u1 is 1 by 2. So here v1 is 0, that's why 0. Here v1 0, this is vv1 0, plus ww1. W into w1 is minus 3 by 2. D is d, and d1 is a minus 2. So in place of u2 is u is there, v2 is v, w2 is w. In place of d2 d is there. So 2 will be cancelled, get u, and 2 will be cancelled, minus 3w is equal to d minus. Taking left hand side, you will get u minus 3w minus d plus 2 equal to 0. U minus 3w minus d plus 2 equal to 0. This is the condition 3 will get. And also this is a also required sphere also orthogonal to first orthogonal 2 into x square plus y square plus z square plus x plus 3y plus 4. So we'll get x square plus y square plus z square plus 1 by 2x plus 3 by 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus y square plus z square 2u2x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d2. So 2u2 is equal to 1 by 2, 2v2 is equal to 2u2 is equal to 1 by 2, 2v2 equal to 3 by 2, 2w2 equal to 0, and d2 equal to 2. So comparing this, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d2 equal to 0. So we will get 2u2 is equal to 2u2 is equal to 1 by 2, 2v2 equal to 3 by 2, 2w2 equal to 0, and d2 equal to 2. So u2 is equal to 1 by 4. So taking 2 this side, v2 is equal to 3 by 4, w2 is 0. So required sphere is orthogonal to this sphere. So 2 into u1 u1 is u, v1 is v. So 2u2 plus vv2 plus ww2 equal to d plus d2. So this sphere, required sphere 1 is orthogonal to this sphere. That's why 2u2 plus vv2 plus ww2 equal to d plus d2. Here u2 is 1 by 4, v2 is 3 by 4, w2 is 0. So you will get 2 into u into 1 by 4. So u2 is 1 by 4 plus v into 3 by 4 is equal to d plus 2. d2 is a 2. So finally we'll get here LCM is 4, u plus 3v by 4, 2 will be cancelled, we'll get u plus 3v by 2 is equal to d plus 2. That is equal to u plus 3v equal to 2d plus 4. U plus the cross multiplication, u plus 3v equal to 2d plus 4. Finally, we get, taking left hand side, u plus 3v minus 2d minus 4 equal 0. U plus 3v minus 2d minus 4 equal 0. So now these are the four equations. From these four equations, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4, and equation 5. From these four equations, solving these four equations, we have to get the values of u, v, w, d. So first I will eliminate u from 4 and 5. So what is the 4? Equation 4 is u minus 3d minus d plus d equal 0, 4. 5 is u plus 3v minus 2d minus 4 equal 0. So 4 minus 5. So 4 minus 5, here u is there, u minus u 0, we'll get eliminate u minus u 0. Now 4 minus 3w, so v is not there, so here minus 3 will get 4 minus 5, and minus 3w, here w is not there, minus 3w, and d, here minus d, minus d plus 2d, 4 minus 5 means minus d plus d is will get minus d plus 2d is plus d, and constant here 2 minus of minus 4 plus 4. We'll get 2 plus 4, 6. 2 minus of minus 4 plus 4. We'll get 2. 2 plus 4, 6. Finally, we'll get minus 3w plus d plus 6 equals 0. Just 4 minus 5. Doing the 4 minus 5. We'll get minus 3v minus 3w plus d plus 6 equals 0. And using 3 and 4, eliminate u. So 3, 4. This is 3. This is equation 4. From these two equations, we have to eliminate u. Here minus 4u is there. Here u is there. Just a 3 plus 4 into 4. 3 plus 4 into 4. 3 plus 4 into 4. So in 3 minus 4u is there. Here 4 into 4 means 4u. So minus 4u plus 4u will be cancelled. So minus 2v will get. So first to minus 2v will get minus 2v. And then for 8w, 3 plus 4 into 4 minus 8w. 4 into 4 means 4 into minus 3w minus 12w minus 12w minus 8w. So 3 plus 4 into 4 means minus 8w. 4 into 4 means minus 12w. Minus 8w minus 12w minus 20w will get. And then here d, 4 into d minus 4d. d minus 4d minus 3d will get. So here d plus 4 into minus d minus 4d. d minus 4d is minus 3d. And constant 21 plus 4 into 2, 8. So 3 plus 4 into 4 means 21 plus 4 into 2, 8. We'll get 21 plus 8, 29. Finally, we get minus 2v minus 20w minus 3d plus 29 equals 0. So now we have to eliminate from these two w, because already we have in a equation, first equation in VD. So now eliminate w. So eliminate w from 6 and 7. Here 3w is there, 20w is there. So now multiply this 20, multiply this 3. So 20 into 6 minus 3 into 7. So we'll get a minus 60 lambda plus 60 lambda. We'll get cancelled. W will be cancelled. Eliminate w from 6 and 7. So 20 into 6 means minus 60 lambda plus 60 lambda will be cancelled. W will be cancelled. So to eliminate w, just 20 into 6 minus 3 into 7. So 20 into 6 means minus 60v minus 6 minus so minus 60v minus, so 20 into 6 means minus 60v minus of minus plus 6v minus 60v plus 6v minus 54v, and w will be cancelled, and d, so 20d plus 9d, 29d, and this is 120 minus 3 into 29, 3 into 27, 29 means 57, sorry, 87. So 120 minus 87. So here 26 is 120 minus 3 into 29 is 87. That is 33. So finally we are getting minus 54v plus 29d plus 33 equal to 0. Plus 33 equal to 0. So just eliminate w from 6 and 7. 20 into 6 minus 3 into 7 will get minus 54v plus 29d plus 33 equal to 0. Plus 33 equal to 0. So now eliminate v from 8 and equation. This is 6v plus d equal to d plus 9 equal to 0. This is a minus 54 plus 29d plus 33 equal to 0. Just here into 9, 9 into 2, 54v will get, adding this 54v will be cancelled. So 9 into 2 plus 8, 9 into 2 plus 8 will get, so 9 into 2, 9 into 2 means 54v, adding this 54 minus 54v will be cancelled, and 9d here plus 29d. So 9d, 29d plus 38D will get same 38D, and then 9 into 9, 81. 81 plus 33. 81 plus 33. 114. 114. So we'll get here it is missing 114 here, right? Here 38D plus 114 here. 38D plus 114. Here it is missing. So you have to write 114. 114. 38D plus 114 equals 0. 38D equal 114. So 114 by 38. Here we have to write 114 by 38, that equal to minus 3. So just 9 into 2 plus 8, we get a 38D plus 114 here. It is not 104. This is 114. 38D equal to 1 minus 114. D equal to minus 114 by 38. 3 into 3. Into 3 means 114. That is minus 3. It is not 0. It is 114. It is 114 by 58. So finally, get D is equal to minus 3. So by 2. So by 2 here from this by 2, 6V equal to take right side minus D minus 9. So we'll get 6V equal to minus D minus 9. D is minus 3. We get 3 minus 9. 3V equal to minus 6. V equal to minus 1. And again by 5. What is 5? U is equal to taking right side. So minus 3V plus 2D plus 4. So 2D plus 4 minus 3. So D by 5. U is equal to 2D plus 4 minus 3. So we'll get 2D plus 4 minus 3. That is a minus 6. D is minus 3 minus 6 plus 4. V is minus 1 plus 3 equal to 1. So minus 6 plus 7 equal to 1. And again by 6 is a 6. Taking 3W right side. 3W equal to minus 3V plus D plus 6. So 3W equal to minus 3V plus D plus 6. V is a minus 1. So we'll get 3. D is minus 3 plus 6. 3W equal to 6, we'll get a W equal to 2. Therefore, required speed is, so by the equation 1, we'll get 2UX. U is here, what is U? 1. 2UX is 2. Minus 2VY. V is minus 1 minus 2Y. 2WZ, 2 into 2, 4Z. And D is minus 3. So U is 1. So here, U is 1 means 2X. V is minus 1 is minus 2Y. W is 2 is 4Z. And D is minus 3 minus 3 equal to 0. This is the required sphere. Required sphere. Yeah, another problem. So that every sphere through the circle, x square plus y square minus 2ax plus r square equal to 0, comma z equal to 0 cuts off diagonally every sphere through the circle x square plus z square equal to r square, comma y equal to 0. So we know that the already I told in the first problem, the equation of the sphere through the circle s equal to 0, phi equal to 0 is s plus lambda phi equal to 0. So equation of sphere through the first circle is x square plus y square minus 2ax plus r square equal to 0, comma z equal to 0, s plus lambda phi equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 2x plus r square plus lambda z. Lambda phi equal to 0 means lambda z equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x plus r square plus lambda z equal to 0. So finally we are getting x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus lambda z plus r square equal to 0. Here z square is not there, I may have written because z equals 0. So now actually general form is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus 2d equals 0. That's why I have written z square, because z is 0. X square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus lambda z plus r square equals 0. Now comparing with x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 equals 0. So comparing with x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 equals 0. So comparing with 2u1 equal minus 2, 2v1 is 0, 2w1 is a lambda, and d1 is r square. D1 is r square. So 2u1 equal minus 2. 2v1, y is not there, so 0. Y coefficient, y is not there, so 2v1 0. So z coefficient is the lambda, 2w1 equal to lambda, and d1 equal to r square. So similarly, equation of sphere through the second circle. Second circle is a x square plus z square equal r square. Taking the left hand side, so x square plus z square minus r square equal 0, comma y equal 0. So plus mu y equal 0. So we know that here in place of lambda I have written s plus mu y s plus mu phi equal 0. X square plus z square minus r square plus mu y equal 0. Plus mu y equal to 0. So we'll get x square because y is 0. So no need, okay, no problem here. Because y is 0, that's why I have written general form x square plus y square plus z square plus mu y equal to mu y minus r square equal to 0. Now comparing with x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d2 equal to 0. So comparing with x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d2 equal to 0. So here 2u2 is the x coefficient is not there, so 0. So 2v2 means y coefficient mu, 2v2 equal to mu, and 2w2z coefficient 2w2 0, so z is not there, and d2 is minus half. So finally you get u2 equals 0, v2 is equal to mu by 2. So 2v2 equal mu means v2 equal mu by 2. 2w2 0 means w2 is 0. So now I have to show, what can we have to show? Every sphere through the circle. So through the circle cuts orthogonally every sphere through the circle. That means this circle and this circle, these two are. So circle 1, if you take the circle 2, these two circles are orthogonal. What is the condition for orthogonal? 2u1 u2 plus v1 v2 plus w1 w2 equal to d1 plus d2. Then the two spheres are orthogonal. So first find 2 of u1 u2 plus v1 v2 plus w1 plus w2. So 2 of 0. So u1 u2. So u2 is 0. So this is 0. v1 v2. So here v1 is 0. So v1 is 0. So this is 0. 2 w1 w2. w2 is 0. So that's why 2 into 0 plus 0 that equals 0. And d1 plus d2. What is d1 here? R square. d2 is minus r square. So it will be cancelled. So finally we are getting 2 of u1 u2 plus v1 v2 plus w1 plus w2 is equal to d1 plus d2 is equal to d1 plus d2. So here u2 is 0, v1 0, w2 is 0. So left hand side will become 0, and d1 plus d2 is r square minus r square equal to 0. So therefore these two spheres, sphere 1 and this sphere, are orthogonal. That means every sphere through the first circle, through the given first circle, this is first circle, cuts orthogonally. Here it is every sphere through the first circle orthogonal to every sphere through the second circle. So this is the class today. So angle between, simple, the angle of intersection of two spheres at a common point is the angle between the tangent planes. Angle between the tangent plane at the common point. Angle between the tangent planes to them at that point. So to find angle between at a point means first find tangent plane at that point to the first sphere, and tangent plane to the at that point to the second sphere, and find the angle between tangent planes. We get the angle. We get the angle between the two spheres, and also it is same as the angle between the radii through that point. So this is C1. Suppose if you take P, so C1P, C2P. Angle between C1P and C2P is called the angle between the two spheres at the common point. It's like C1P and C2P. What is the condition for orthogonality? Two spheres are orthogonal. 2u1 u2 plus v1 v2 plus w1 plus w2 equal to d1 plus d2. This is the orthogonality. Thank you.